Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord installation has failed error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix the Discord installation failed error, you have to follow these steps. First of all, go to your Windows desktop and click on the search box in the taskbar. Type run and open it. In the run box, type %app, data percentage and press enter. A folder will open. Look for a folder named Discord. If you find it, right-click on it and delete it, then close the folder. After that, open Run again. Type %local app, data percentage, and press enter. Once again, look for the Discord folder, and if it's there, delete it and close the window. Next, go back to the search box and open Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Network and Internet, then open VPN. If you are using any VPN, make sure it is turned off because VPNs can block Discord from installing properly. Once done, close Settings and try installing Discord again. If the error still appears, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar and open Task Manager. At the top, search for Discord. If you see anything related to Discord running in the background, right-click on it and select End Task. Make sure all Discord processes are completely closed. Now, open your browser and go to discord.com/download. Here, download the Discord installer for your operating system. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder, right-click on the Discord setup file, and click Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. Double-click the installer and check if Discord installs successfully. If it still doesn't work, we'll check the Windows Installer service. Go to the search box, type Services, and open it. Scroll down to Windows Installer and double-click it. If the service status is set to stopped, click Start, then click Apply and OK. Finally, open the search box again, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. In the command window, type msiexec /unreg and press Enter. After that, type msiexec /reg server and press Enter again. Once done, type Exit, close the window, and restart your PC to apply the changes. After restarting, you should be able to install Discord without any issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Discord installation has failed error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.